Then there. Okay, time to set some fire, and we have to cook meal. Right now it is this sunny weather, but in night it's going to be -degree. And now, because of that, we have to find a lot of wood, dry wood actually, for our stove. We are looking for it. So my hand is cut by knife, so I have to open first aid kit, and I have to use little bandage. It is small cut, but I have to clear it out and make no infection went through. Like Captain America. After tea, it's time some meal. Akif, how are you?
Very good.
Alright, so it is almost night, so we have to set a fire in our tent. But before that, we need a fire starter. Of course, we have a fire in outside, but it is not going to work in the stove. So for making fire starter, we need some candles, Vaseline, and of course some cleaning pads. So first we are putting this right here and add our candles. Okay, after our candle is melt, we are going to add some Vaseline to it. A bunch of Vaseline. And stir this. So waiting for mixture has melted all the way. It's done. So we are taking this out. So this is our mixture. So we are adding cleaning pad into it. The cleaning pad has a lot of cotton in it. So cotton is going to suck all the mixture inside, and we put it aside. So when it is getting cold, it's going to be dry and it will be perfect fire starter. We are take this out and put aside. So I think our fire starter is almost dry out. Yes. So they are solid hard and they are ready to use. But right now we are going to drink some coffee. I know it is dark, but there is a beautiful lake. Alright, so it is 10 o'clock at night. So it is getting very cold. And our fire started is done. And we are going to set fire in our stove. So first, let's put some dry wood in it. Okay, let's close the lid and wait. Like 10 minutes we put our fire starter to our stove. As you can see, it is very hot right now. Okay, let's just put some tea. And take our
Gun.
self-defense gun. The last things about this day. So we are testing our new sleeping bags. I hope it is going to keep us warm. If it is not, we will going to be very sad. Tomorrow we will review our new sleeping bags, and we hope it's going to be alright. Like I said, the other way we are going to be very sad because we bought it like $60. Right, it is midnight, so our stove still running. It will going to run all the night. We have some woods.
The temperature is good.
But we have to sleep because we are very tired. It's a long day. So have a good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good morning everyone. It is 7 o'clock and we finally wake up. It is raining and we don't have raincoat.
Samsa ya ama
Sarı paprika olan paprika.